Welcome back everyone, and this is the sixth video of this video series on how to design a plumbing services company website with WordPress CMS and free Elementor page builder plugin. So far we have designed the services page, yeah, home page, about us page and services page. 3 phases we have done, and in this page let's design the emergency services page. I especially focus on emergency page, services page, and I added this emergency services child page. It should be a child, consider a child page of services page, but I added as a on the primary menu here because so as you can see, when do we call plumbing services? We call plumbing services before we move in into a house, when the new house is constructed or refurbished for moving in, or other time is in the times of emergency. So calling for plumbing services is mostly at the time of emergency, so emergency services is the main focus for plumbing services. And so that's why I added the emergency services at the primary menu. So let's design it first. Emergency services, edit page, edit with Elementor. Okay, and from here we can take inspiration from that template. Now here what we offer, insert it, no, delete this and bring this here, this column on the right side. Okay, and here go to the setting of this section and let's add the image background like this, and that's fine. Cover, then go to column setting of this column and style, sense opacity, emergency plumbing services. Delete this. Sorry. Okay, leave the heading widget, header widget, and heading widget, and delete the rest. So here call us, call us emergency, okay, call and the phone number, emergency services phone number, something like this. And we can increase the height of this column like this, and here let's change the column padding setting, 200 on the left, 100 on the right. Okay, then let's adjust the size here for this about IT. We can also change, sorry, yeah, pick this red color and yeah, call CC. And describe something about, yeah, sorry, describe something about this emergency services. Margin 50. Same here, let's set margin about 50 at the top, the gap between this here widgets, or too much, about 20. Like this. Okay, did it. Then yeah, same here. Once again we can insert what we offer. No, and here instead of full wide, choose box. Okay, then adjust the pairing setting to about 50. Then delete the description, something like this. 24-hour emergency available. Here 24 emergency available, 1 year warranty on our work. Friendly and pampless on the staff. No fees or gimmicks. Okay, that's it. Here we can add padding to this section about 150 at the top, 150 at the bottom, like this. Okay, you can also adjust, remove the background, but we can add border solid. 1 pixel. And here, not on the left side, something like this. Same here for this image widget, we can add border. Sorry, style, border, solid, 1 pixel, not on the right side. Yep. So may it consider as single widget, this box. This one it's little ugly. Now let's use this widget, copy, paste here. So let's delete this here, phone and number. So go to size, size 50, and content typography size 80. Size spacing, okay, and here so what I want to do is alignment, change the alignment of this icon widget icon, but I see there seems to be no option for that particular or middle. Okay, here it is, particular line middle. That's it. Here copy the color, content, that's it. Now it looks little better. And here margin is too much, let's reduce to about 20. Now here it is. We can also change the border color of this columns. Same here for this image widget. I didn't forget to add the border, this border add a column, but on the image widget, same here, same result. That's it. We can add a little border radius to about 15 at the right. Sorry, yes, for this one, left and the top, about 15 at the top, 15 at the left. This one, and come here at this column, border radius, right side 15, bottom 15. Okay, now we got this border radius. And come here, For this column paddings, remove the right padding. Yep. Now yeah, it's better. White choosers is displayed at a single line, and here for the white choosers, let's change the line height a little to increase the gap. Okay. Then yeah, this one, we also provide emergency services for CCC. This is the type of emergency that we provide. For this, let's insert a 3-column section like this, and padding at the bottom 150. Then the icon list option, of course, icon list, and the icon color is red. And the icon is sec, something like this. Remove this. Now we can copy this type of emergency services we provide. No running water in the house, water dripping from the ceiling, water toilet overflowing, one, two, three, four, five, six, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is 13. We can divide about 4. Freezing source. Okay, and we can copy this, paste it here. Now we can, yeah, flooding, blocked set drains, blocked toilets, burst pipes. Okay, now we can copy this, paste it here. No hot water, wet yard, sewer, lined, surface, burst machine hose. Something like this. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Yeah, I seems to forgot something here. Okay, let's add a section here. Okay, let's insert alert. Remove the title. Okay. Warning. Danger. Success. height. So there should be something like note, or here, yeah, remove this. Okay, like this. Yeah, it's better. And change the background color. Sorry, change background color to red. Then title color to white. Border color to from the pick color history, this blue color, copy it, change the border color, something. Yeah, here it is. Our team can help you with variety of emergency services. Let's see. Okay, and here this. That's it. You can call the emergency services, or here, sorry, insert the CTA. Okay, like this. Like this, we are done for the emergency services page. Update it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to leave your questions, doubts, video requests, anything. And I have a few feedbacks about adding e-commerce elements, WooCommerce elements to this video series. But yeah, I want to add the video series, sorry, I want to add e-commerce elements to the next video series, because yeah, we have done many things to this video series and the previous video series. It wouldn't be comfortable to add the e-commerce elements again, so I will do a different video series for that type of website. For example, sound studio, record studio, or farm agriculture website. We will add e-commerce elements, WooCommerce elements, and design a different layout, different design, and we'll do a different video series. And I hope you to be patient and watch all these videos that I have uploaded on the YouTube channel one by one from beginning to finish, and leave your valuable feedbacks, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And at the same time, I hope everyone out there is safe and sound during this pandemic time. Yeah, and see you in the next video.